Hey Jack. It feels like forever since we last saw each other. How was your vacation?
I know, right? It's great to see you again, Tony. My vacation was pretty awesome, actually. I went on a road trip with my family to the mountains. We did some hiking and visited a few cool places. How about you?
That sounds amazing. I wish I could have gone on a road trip. I stayed at home, mostly. But I did manage to catch up on some reading and finally binge-watched the TV series I was talking about.
Oh, nice. Which series did you watch? Anything good?
I got hooked on Stranger Things. I can't believe I waited this long to watch it. It's such a thrilling show with all the supernatural stuff.
Oh, I love Stranger Things. It's got that single quote 80s nostalgia and the characters are fantastic. Who's your favorite character so far?
I think I'm torn between Eleven and Hopper. Eleven has these incredible powers, and Hopper is just so funny and protective. Who's your favorite?
I have to go with Dustin. He's hilarious, and his friendship with Steve is just gold. So, besides Netflix, did you do anything else during the break?
Yeah, I hung out with some other friends too. We had a couple of movie nights, went to the mall, and even tried our hand at cooking. I made the worst lasagna ever, by the way. It was practically inedible.
Haha, well, at least you had fun trying. I actually tried cooking as well. I baked some cookies, and they turned out pretty decent, surprisingly. What's new at school? Anything exciting happening?
Not much, really. Just the usual classes and homework. But there's a rumor going around that they might organize a school trip soon. That could be fun if it happens.
A school trip? That would be awesome. I hope it's somewhere interesting. Fingers crossed. And have you picked your extracurricular activities for this year yet?
I'm thinking of joining the photography club. I've always been interested in taking pictures, and it seems like a great opportunity to learn more about it. How about you? Any clubs in mind?
I'm still deciding between the art club and the debate club. I enjoy both, but they're so different. I'll have to make up my mind soon, though.
Well, whatever you choose, I'm sure you'll excel at it. You've got talent for both. We'll have to support each other in our new endeavors.
Absolutely, and we'll definitely have more fun adventures and stories to share as the school year goes on.
For sure. It's always great to catch up with you. Let's plan to hang out more often this year.
Agreed. We'll make this school year the best one yet.